Hi, myself Rajarashmi S. Rai from Vidyarashmi First Grade College, Savanur. Now I am taking Financial Accounting of 5th SEM. So under that we are already studied about the redemption of preferential shares. So this is the last problem. If you study this problem, it is enough. Almost all the adjustments are included in these problems. So this is the 11th problem. It is enough if you study this much of problem. So this is the last problem. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ 11th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. So now read the problem. This is the problem. It is given redeem the preference shares at a premium of 5%. So premium is given, it is 5%. Then issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at 10% premium. They are clearly given 20,000 equity shares are issued. That means fresh issue is also given. Then once again it is given at a premium of 10% and sold all its investment. So they sold all the investments at rupees 1,58,000. 1,58,000. So this is the problem. So we have to first pass the entry for the selling of investment. So the entry is when you sell, cash comes in. So bank account should be debited. How much we received selling the investment? We get 1,58,000. Then investment goes out to investment account. So investment amount is 1,45,000. See here, credit side is less. So here we have to write to profit and loss account. That means it is the profit. So we get 13,000 profit here. So always you are getting the debit profit and loss account while selling the investment. But here it is profit. See, we have 1,45,000 investment. But we have received 1,58,000. That is more. So the profit and loss account, here it is a profit of 30,000. So this is relating to the selling of investment. First entry is over. Now we have to redeem the shares. So we can see how to redeem the shares. So if this is the equity shares, redeemable preference shares is 4,50,000. And it is clearly given. There is a fresh issue of 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each means 2 lakh. So 2 lakh is the equity shares. 2 lakh is the equity shares. Then remaining that means 4,50,000 minus 2,50,000, that is 2,50,000 should be utilized. We have to see here, we can use capital reserve, no, it is nothing but capital redemption reserve. Then securities premium, no. Next we can utilize general reserve or profit and loss account. Remember always, if general reserve is also given, then profit and loss account is given, then we can first give the preference to general reserve. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ 2,50,000. 2,50,000. ಸೊ 2 lakh equity shares and 2,50,000 general reserve. Next we have to pass the entry for the fresh issue of shares. So the entry is for a fresh issue of shares, bank account data to equity share capital account to securities premium account. So it is clearly given equity share issued is 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So it is 2 lakh. Then it is given issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 is 10% premium. That is 2 lakh into 10%. That is 20,000. So the bank account is 2 lakh 20,000. So bank account debtor to equity share capital account to securities premium account. So 2,20,000, 2,20,000, 2,20,000. Next entry for next entry regarding the premium. So the entry is, so here it is given preference shares premium. So the entry is securities premium account debtor to premium on redemption of preference shares account. So how much it is? Preference shares is 4,50,000. It is given redeemable preference shares at a premium of 5%. So within bracket we have to write 4,50,000 into 5% premium. 4,50,000 into 5% premium. So the premium will be 22,500. So the premium will be 22,500. So this is the premium. So the entry for the premium or redemption of preference shares, securities premium. So we can utilize. Here it is 20,000 is there. Then last journal entry, there is a amount in the equity shares premium is there. So we can fully utilize the securities premium for the redemption of premium on redemption of preference shares. So premium securities premium account debtor to premium on redemption of preference shares 22,500. Next entry is for transfer to general reserve. The entry is, we are using general reserve 2,50,000. So this balance should be transferred to capital redemption reserve. So ಈಗ equity share fresh issue ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ capital reserve ಇದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So we have to transfer the general reserve here. So we have the entry is general reserve account debtor to capital redemption reserve account. General reserve account debtor to capital redemption reserve account. The amount is 2,50,000. So the amount is 2,50,000. Yes. Next entry, we have to transfer the capital, preference share capital and premium to holders account. So the next entry is redeemable preference share capital account debtor. So redeemable preference share capital account debtor. See the preference share capital is 4,50,000. Next, premium on redemption of preference shares account debtor. Premium on redemption of preference shares account debtor. See the last entry, third entry. You get the premium on redemption of preference shares. It is 22,500. See the journal entry number 3. We get the premium or redemption of preference shares is 22,500. So 2, we have to transfer it to preference shareholders. So to redeemable preference shareholders account. Redeemable preference shareholders account 4,72,500. So we have to pay 4,72,500. Next, we have to make the payment to redeemable preference shareholders. So the same entry, redeemable preference shareholders account debtor. When we are paid to the shareholders, cash goes out. So to bank account. Amount is 4,72,500. 4,72,500. So redeemable preference shareholders account debtor to bank account. Then we have to see here. Here it is bonus share is also given. It is important. After redemption, so I will read out the problem. After the redemption of preference shares, the company issued. So it is important. After the redemption of shares, it issued the bonus shares. After the redemption of preference shares, the company issued one fully equity shares of rupees 10 each as bonus for every 4 shares held by its members. It is not given by its existing members, no. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂತ ಸಹ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಎಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ದ ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಗಿವನ್ after the redemption of shares, it pay the bonus to its members, not the existing members, to all its members. That means here we have to take both the existing shareholders as well as for the fresh shareholders. Then how much is the existing shares? It is given 1 lakh existing shares. Don't take the amount here. Bonus shares ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 1 share for every 4 shares. It is not ₹1 for ₹4. It is important 1 share for every 4 shares. It is important. So we have to calculate, see the shares, then calculate the bonus shares. So here it is equity shares is 1 lakh. It is existing shares. Once again, fresh issue it is given 20,000 equity shares of ₹10 each. So 20,000. So total is 1,20,000 shares, bonus shares. 1,20,000 shares. It is given 1. So we have to write 1 for every how much? 4 shares. For every 4. So first ಕೊಟ್ಟದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 for every 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 2 first write, then write 4. So 1 for every 4 shares held. This is the bonus shares. It comes to 30,000. Remember, this is the shares. 30,000 is the shares, but we have to pay the bonus. So bonus face value of the share is 10 rupees. So 30,000 into 10, that means we have to pay 3 lakh. We have to pay 3 lakh. But in this problem, the speciality is, see here, this is bonus. So we have to pay bonus 3 lakh. Understood? We have to pay bonus 3 lakh. But here in capital redemption reserve, if you see the journal entry number 4, that means we are utilizing the capital redemption reserve for the payment of bonus shares. As a rule, we are using capital redemption reserve for the issue of bonus shares. Bonus shares ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವುದು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? Capital redemption reserve ಇಂದ. But see the capital redemption reserve in 4th journal entry. So capital redemption reserve 4th journal entry is 2,50,000. So then how to give the 3 lakh bonus shares? Already told in the last problem, general reserve is nothing, capital reserve is nothing but capital redemption reserve. So in one problem you already solved like this. Capital reserve is nothing but capital redemption reserve. So we can use that also. Capital reserve also we can use. How much capital reserve? 12,500. 12,500. Remember always, capital reserve, redemption reserve 2,50,000, capital reserve 12,500. Then also there is a shortage. Ishtu kottu shortage ide. Yes. Then next we can utilize securities premium. Remember always, we cannot use the profit and loss account. So for issue of bonus shares, we have to utilize the reserves and securities. ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೋನಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ or any other reserve, that means general reserve we can use, but remember always we cannot use the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ should be always issued with the help of reserve. So bonus ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಐಟಮ್, means it is related to the capital. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೋನಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುದೇ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡುದು. ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆಯುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. Securities premium. Then how much we can utilize? See, the opening balance is given 20,000. 20,000 is opening balance. Then plus, see the journal entry number 2, equity share premium is 20,000, add, less we have paid the premium on preference shares, it is 22,500. So we get securities premium only 17,500. So 20,000 opening balance we have. Opening balance securities premium here in the balance sheet. Then it is for the journal entry number 2, premium of the equity shares. Then this is the journal entry number 4, we paid to the preference shareholders. So we get 22,500. This one, the preference shareholders 22,500. So we can get only 17,500. Once again there is a shortage. If you calculate this one, it will become 2,80,000. That means 20,000 is the shortage. This 20,000, see, any reserve is there in the balance sheet. Here it is general reserve. So we can utilize the general reserve. So this is the problem. So here we can write the general entry like this only. Capital redemption reserve account data 2,50,000. Then capital reserve is account data 12,500. Securities premium account data 17,500. Then general reserve account data 20,000. This is the balancing figure. 2, we have to pay bonus to shareholders. 2 bonus to shareholders account. So we have to pay bonus 3 lakh. 3 lakh we have to pay. So ಈ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ? ಈ 3 lakh ಇಂದ minus 2,50,000 minus 12,500 minus 17,500. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ in the capital redemption reserve, then first preference should be given to the securities premium, then remaining should be transferred from any general reserve or revenue reserve. So this is the relating to the bonus shares. Then once again it should be transferred, bonus shares should be transferred to capital account. So next entry will be bonus to shareholders account data, holders account data to equity share capital account. Equity share capital account. The amount is 1 lakh. The amount is 1 lakh. So bonus to shareholders account data to equity share holders account. So this is the last entry. Then we can prepare a balance sheet. So balance sheet, this is important, balance sheet. So here only I am solving this one. So here 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each is there. So 10 lakh. So don't take preference shareholders. So now how much equity shares are there with us? So 10 lakh already existing in the balance sheet. Plus 2 lakh is the fresh issue. Plus bonus issue is 3 lakh. Bonus issue is 3 lakh. So in opening balance sheet alli last balance sheet alli kotta 10 lakh plus 2 lakh fresh issue. Then once again 3 lakh is the bonus issue. So the total equity shares is 15 lakhs. Total equity share is 15 lakhs. Then once again, no need of writing redeemable preference shares because it is already paid. Then regarding capital reserve, here there is no capital reserve because reserve is fully utilized for bonus issue. Ali bonus issue ge ನಾವು capital reserve fully utilize ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So new revised balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ capital reserve ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Next, securities premium is also fully utilized in the journal entry for the payment of bonus shares. So it does not appear in the revised balance sheet. ಅದು ಸಹ revised balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Next one is general reserve. See, general reserve balance is given. Opening balance is 80,30,500 minus, see the journal entry, last but one. So that journal entry is, we are utilizing the general reserve. One is this one, general reserve 2,50,000 minus 2,50,000. Next entry, next is 7th journal entry. It is minus 20,000. For the issue of bonus shares, here used 20,000. This one, general reserve 2,50,000 you are utilizing. Then once again you are utilizing 20,000. So we get 5,60,500. 5,60,500. Next one is profit and loss account as it is 3,87,000. We are not utilized anything from the profit and loss account. So write as it is. Then creditors same. Then provision for taxation is same. No difference. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ 3 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನು as it is ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So the total of liability side is 29,60,500. So balance sheet total liability side 29,60,500. Then come to the asset side. Land 5 lakh same, plant 10 lakh same, furniture 3,90,000 same. It is important, investment is sold, so don't write investment account in the revised balance sheet. Revised balance sheet ಮಾಡುವಾಗ investment ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ it is already sold. Refer journal entry number 1. Then stock, write stock as it is 9,10,200. Write the debtors 1,42,800. Write the cash same 8,500. Then we have to write the bank. So bank is important. So adjustment is in bank. So we have to write bank. So see the bank opening balance is given. See in the balance sheet. Opening balance bank account is 1,02,500. So 1,02,500 is opening balance. See the first journal entry plus 1,58,000. I am writing here bank account. Clear ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. Opening balance is 1,02,500 opening balance. Add investment sold is 1,58,000. So 1 plus 1,58,000. Next, see the next journal entry plus fresh issue 2,20,000 plus fresh issue 2,20,000. Then see the 6th journal entry, payment to redeemable preferred shareholders, that is payment is minus 4,72,500. 4,72,500 over, so we get the bank balance is 8,000. If you calculate like this, you will get bank account 8,000. So this is the opening balance. This is the investment sold. This is the fresh issue, and this is the payment to the preference shareholders. So we are getting bank balance 8,000. The last transaction is loans and advances. Right, as it is loans and advances is 1,000. Then balance sheet tally is 29,60,500. 29,60,500. With this we can end this chapter. So this is redeemable preferential chapter is over. We completed this chapter. Then in next class we can start the next chapter. Thank you.